if everybody took a group quiz as a class, we'd be doing great. But I want to make sure everybody understands what's going on. All right, take seats. Take seats so we can. I don't do the second one. So the first constraint that you saw, how did you develop it? What was the first thing that your eyes went to develop that constraint? I think it was the bullet. Oh, non-negative. Don't forget that. I usually do that last, but maybe it's good to do that first. X greater, like all these variables are ounces, so they all have to be bigger or equal 0. You can't solve this with the graphing method, right? Unless you have a very twisted mind. How did you come up with the 280 and 320 and know where to put them? Where did your eyes go to in the problem to see it? How did you know where to look? Everybody has the first constraint up and it looks very similar. So how did you go there? Huh? It's the first bullet listed. And it talks about calories. Go ahead, Manny.
Was it calories? I took my eyes to the table, saw calories per ounces, and then it said between, so I knew that there had to be two other signs, like greater than or to greater than equal to less than.
So here, like they talk about calories in the first bullet. If you go to the table, the first table was calories, and there are two numbers given. And so you have to, one thing I would do is there's this 320 calories. And by the way, we say this, it's actually kcals. And if you look on the back of packaging, they use a capital. If they didn't use a capital here, it's not correct. A little bit of biology. But we get that this here, this 54B, this here is the calorie amount in 1 ounce in B ounces. The units have to work out. If this was calories per ounce and this is ounces, the units have to cancel out and you get 54B calories total. These are the total. So this is a total. Everything on this side is a total. Everything here has to be a total. So you guys had a little bit extra time, little heads popped out. You were done with your quiz yesterday. This is the kind of thing you should be just checking. If I have total calories here, everything in here has to be total calories as well. Can't mix things. All right, now that you have the first one, you can do the rest of them. So come up with all the constraints and then write them on the board.